This one's for the newly engaged couple. If you're having trouble trying to decide who you should or shouldn't invite, organize your guests into tiers. Tier 1 should be people closest to you. Tier 2 should be extended family who's still important. Tier 3 is anyone else. You pretty much have 4 different options when deciding how you want to deal with kids at your wedding. You can choose to welcome your guests and their kids, have an adults-only wedding, invite only the kids who are in the wedding party, or you can hire someone to watch the kids. Who gets a +1? Anyone who's married, anyone who is engaged, lives together, or is in a long-term relationship. Your wedding party, they're doing so much, let them bring one person to hang out with. A VIP who doesn't know anyone. What do I include on my wedding invite? The date, time, and location. The names of who's invited. Be specific. An RSVP deadline, your wedding website, and attire details. When to send out wedding invites. Traditionally, wedding invites are ordered 4 to 5 months before the wedding so that they can be sent out about 8 to 10 weeks prior to the wedding. If you choose not to do save the dates, send invites out earlier. Cool questions to ask yourself. How do I want to feel? How do I want my guests to feel? What am I most looking forward to? What haven't I liked about other weddings? What 3 things do I definitely want? What do I definitely not want? What do you want your guests to remember most about your wedding? Don't be cookie cutter. Invest in you and your priorities. Think about what moments you'll care most about during your wedding and what you care least about. Once you know, rank those items. Number 1's your most important, 3 is your least. Invest in number 1s and cut number 3. Fundamental 1. In planning, you either spend your money or invest your time. Fundamental 2. The more you add, the more it's going to cost. Hire the pros if your budget allows. Lean on your parts. Focus on your priorities. Get married on a Friday, Sunday, or get really detailed with your guest list and have a micro wedding. Only serve beer, wine, and a signature drink. Go paperless for invites and save the date. DIY as much as you feel comfortable. Number 1, it gives you focus and helps you eliminate details that aren't important to you. It helps define your budget. It helps you figure out what to devote brain space. It better helps you communicate your vision with your partner and your vendor. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time.